Alrighty, so a quick run through of polynomial long division. So here we've got 3x cubed minus 2x squared plus 5 on x squared minus 1. That just means 3x cubed minus 2x squared plus 5 divided by x squared minus 1. Now what we like to do is we like to write it up just like you would with regular long division. So we write 3x cubed under here because this is what's getting divided, minus 2x squared. Now there's no just x to the power of 1 term, so we'll add that in. We'll just make it 0x plus 5. And same thing with the divisor, we go x squared, but there's no x to the power of 1 term, so we'll make it plus 0x, take 1. So we've got this term being divided by this term. Now we've got a 3-step process here. Step 1 is we divide. What that means is we divide the leading term here, so 3x cubed, divided by the leading term here, which is x squared. And that'll give us 3x. And then what we do is we take that 3x, we put it above the x term, which is here. And then the next step is we multiply this 3x term by what we're dividing. So x squared plus 0x, take 1. So 3x times x squared is 3x cubed, times 0x is 0x squared. Then we take 1, so it'll be negative 3x. Great, so that's our step 2 done. And then what we do next is we do step 3, which is subtract. So 3x cubed minus 3x cubed, they'll cancel out. Negative 2x squared minus 0x squared, we'll get negative 2x squared. 0x take negative 3x is positive 3x. And before we restart the process, we just need to make sure we bring this positive 5 down. Bring it here. Awesome. So we've done step 1, step 2, step 3. Then what we do is we go back up to step 1 and we divide again. So the leading term is now negative 2x squared. So we divide negative 2x squared divided by x squared, which will give us negative 2. And so we bring the negative 2 and put it up above the constant term. Now step 2 is we multiply that negative 2 by our divisor here. So negative 2 times x squared is negative 2, is negative 2x squared. Negative 2 times 0x is 0x. And negative 2 times negative 1 is positive 2. So that's our step 2. And step 3 is we subtract. So these two will cancel out. 3x minus 0x is 3x. And 5 minus 2 is 3. Now we actually stop here. We don't do it another process, and that's because the leading term here is to the power of 1, and the divisor has the leading term of the divisor has a higher power, so we actually stop here. So what this means is this is our remainder. So we divided this polynomial by this divisor, and we got this polynomial with a remainder of this. So how we can write this out is we can say, well, 3x cubed minus 2x squared plus 5 over x squared minus 1. Well, that's equal to this little friend up here, this polynomial, 3x minus 2, plus our remainder, plus 3. This is our remainder over the divisor. Now, this is the same as saying, well, not the same, but bringing it back to division of actual numbers. It's saying like 13 divided by 4. Now that's equal to 3 plus, we have a remainder 1 over 4. So our divisor here is 4, up here it's x squared, polynomial then we're left with 3 1/4.